rip out this stuff. Oh, so many mufflers in this exhaust, and they're huge. Give the car a shake, like Chris Fix said. Was that you that made that noise? No. What was that?
It was the Jackson.
Alright, hey guys, in today's video we are going to show you how it's easy and important to learn how to work on your own car with my daily here, the 2003 ACURA RSX Type S. Here we got all the parts you're going to need. I am doing full new brakes all the way around, new pads, sway bar end links, tie rod ends, and the piece de resistance, so you know the car's a bit lowered, fully adjustable rear camber arms. All bought from rockauto.com.
Totally not sponsored, by the way.
Totally not sponsored.
Rock Auto, sponsor us, please.
Quinn, why is it important to do your own maintenance?
Because you can save a ton of money. Like we're going to show you today. Most shops charge between $85 to $100 an hour to do your own maintenance. All this will take us less than 5 hours today, and at the end of the day, I'll have completely new suspension and all new brakes for less than $300. Alright, so what you need to work on your car for what we're doing today: can of brake clean. Most brake rotors come with oil on them from the factory when they were milled. You need to be able to get that off so the brakes can beat in properly. Over here, basic set of hand tools helps. I have a really nice DeWalt mechanic set that has every single socket and wrench and ratchet you're going to need. But to make stuff go quicker, $50 at Home Depot gets an electric ratchet. Set of wrenches. I have some ration ones too as well that help. So, if you've never worked on your own car before, we're going to show you how to today. When breaking your wheels loose, have someone stand on the brakes. Makes it easier.
Just hear me out here. You could have broken them when they were on the ground. Like everybody else should. Outside of the car.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I don't know. I've never noticed that before. Let me get in.
They're arguing about the steering wheel right now.
I know my steering wheel.
Things that happen at mechanical high important.
No, it's literally pointed straight.
That's not.
Yes, it is. Okay. It's totally pointed straight.
That's fine. I'm just going crazy.
You gotta be going crazy.
Going crazy.
It's totally pointed straight. Alright, one thing you want to do when you always take your wheel off, check for play. Left and right, I got a little bit. Up and down, barely any, not much. But we're going to fix that today. New end links, new tie rod ends. You can tighten these up. And in here you can see my nice Skunk 2 lowering springs. Man, who could help install those? And True Heart Sport shocks. They're actually holding up really nicely. Oh, Rob, there's a nut on the front that twists.
Yeah, I saw that. It's like, why are you just spinning freely? Oh gosh.
Nope. Oh, got it. No, I didn't. Did I? I did. Haha. Are you good?
I broke it, and I also possibly broke my elbow. No, my whole arm was just numb, it's fine.
Alright, so we got the old brake here. You can tell when you want to tell if your brakes are worn, you get your rotor off, take your fingers, slide it across. It should be perfectly smooth. I feel a little warping, and at the end there's about a 1/2 millimeter lip. This one, obviously brand new. But you see the amount of dirt. So you get brake clean. Right off.
Might be a multi-person.
Give it a wipe. Nice and clean. There you go.
Oh my lord. I hope not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Screw that. You want me to try? Okay, well I cannot.
You're not. Oh yeah. It's harder coming down too.
Yep, there we go.
It's all about angle of attack, boy. That bottom one's on there though. Whew. Blowtorch. Gosh.
That's on there.
This one is. I'm just gonna stand on it. This move. Okay. One more. It's not like it's rusted on there.
Yeah. Nice.
When removing a brake pad, literally just pull up.
Most
Easy.
brake pads come in new clips as well. Slide those in the place of the old ones. There we go. Click in and slide it in.
They're red.
Yeah, I know. Red means fast. And you got a new brake pad.
You can track it now. You got good brakes.
Yeah, that's the one thing I hated when I was in the mountains is it has great braking power, but after 2 or 3 hard turns, it would start to fade because it would heat soak. These rotors are supposed to be way better at dissipating heat, and these brakes are supposed to be a lot better. It does come with grease. So
Grease for what?
you put it inside here so the brakes slide. Lube the track. You don't need much. Take a little wipe with the finger. Wipe it in here.
I was gonna record us getting pizza, but I didn't want to make the delivery driver feel awkward, so we're just gonna wait for Quinn to bring it in. Quinn, what are you doing?
Taking off sway bar. 'Cause it's easier to get the links off that way.
Come on, Rob, you got it. Keep going. Keep going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Push!
These were shot though. There's no grease left in these bushings.
Going all around you right now. Hey, perfect. I have a good shot there. Yep.
Luckily, this came off really easy. 2, throw it again then.
Hello. All right, quick update. We pretty much have the front done. We just have to put everything back together. Yeah, we just gotta put the brakes on. Tony has snapped a bolt, trying to fiddle with the exhaust, and so he's dealing with that right now.
Like a typical Honda.
Yay!
I like the way my car sounds now. Nice and quiet.
Yeah,
30 miles per
Quinn.
gallon. I'm a good Honda owner.
Sure.
This is a good Honda. You're up. I did that. The car did that. That was a mistake.
Cruising right along. We just got the at least one sway bar end link out.
Yeah, so I gotta do the other. They're not too bad if you look on the end. They had some rust, you know, just typical. But new ones will go on really easy.
Check in with Tony over here and see how well he's struggling. How you doing, my guy? I'm living. He's living. All right, cool. Check back with you in a little bit. All right, another quick update. Tony had to run to the store because he snapped a bolt. I have the front driver's side all reassembled. Brake is on. Looking good. We got the new pads in there. Obviously the new rotors. Everything is tightened down. The new sway bar end links in the front are good to go. Those are somewhere back there. Quinn is finishing up the rear driver's side. Looking good. He's doing the upper control arm right now. But
Yeah.
so
Get these in somewhere.
Yep. So back to work. Quinn's over here working now on the belt, taking that puppy off and trying to feed a new one on there because this one's been squeaking. So.
Yep, this one's in not very good shape.
Can I slide it under? I think I'll just slide it under here. Ready, Rob? Ready? It's coming your way. Right by the jet. Okay, well, that didn't help anything.
Alright guys, so today we showed you why it's important to work on your own car. Now we're going to tie up the numbers. Total, I got all new sway bar end links, tie rod ends, brake pads, brake calipers, and belts. And adjustable upper control arms for $230. At a shop, that would have been about 6 hours of labor, so add another $600. You would have spent $830 doing that. We spent $230 today. So now you know why it's important to do the maintenance on your car. And when you're working on it, make sure you stay original.